Another step in thinking through the design of a custom wardrobe might be, how can I make the room feel bigger? Now, somebody may look at this and say, well, Mike, you made the room smaller by putting this wardrobe in. And is that true? That is, because we did build into the room. However, there are some ways we could have sort of tricked this out and made it more of a light reflecting situation. So instead of using, let's say, glass doors, these could have been mirrors. Now, you don't get a ton of, it's not like a full length mirror because it would have been inside of sort of the drawer fronts, but that is a way, if you do want to visually make the room seem bigger, you can do that. Now, you have to go by and look at yourself all the time, and you may not like that, so you may not want the mirrors, but that is a way to visually make it feel a little bigger, even though practically we are building into the room. To learn more, go to innovatehomeward.com or call us at 614-545-6888.